Hey traders, it's Jeffrey from Ninjacators. Today I'm going to tell you about a hidden feature in NinjaTrader and show you how it made me an easy 500 bucks that I might have otherwise have missed. The feature is the OCO trade, or one cancels other trade, and it's hidden in the chart trader panel. Think about a time when you spot an area on one of your charts that you know will either break down or break out, and you wish you could preset your trades beforehand. Well, that's exactly what this hidden NinjaTrader feature does. We've all been caught without enough time to get the right trade in, so as soon as you recognize the potential for a move, use this simple but powerful NinjaTrader tool so you don't miss out on those trades regardless of which direction they break. Okay, let's look at the charts and I'll show you how we set this up. Now here we've got the Dow, and we see this area right here has been consolidating for some time. We know that it's going to break out of this consolidation area and either run up or run down. So we find that OCO trade on the chart. Let's back up a bit. Let me show that to you again. Okay, so we right-click in the chart trader right side panel. This little window pops up and we click on OCO order. That is going to light up a little green button on top to show you that you're in the OCO panel. Then we absolutely have to select an ATM. Even if there's one in here, select the one that you're going to use. Remember it because you're going to use it on both sides. You must do this with an ATM. We select, in this case, 4 quantity, because in the Dow we like to trade 4 with 2 targets, 2 and 2. And then I'm going to click my buy stop market, and that's going to put a trade right at the level that I clicked it. Then I'm going to select my ATM again, same one, choose sell stop market, and that's it. I've got both trades on the chart. Now I can use Chart Trader, make any adjustment that I want. I can tighten it right up, but I'm looking for a decent move up to these levels or down to these levels. So I want to give myself plenty of room. So I'm going to adjust my levels. Just like that. Give a little bit more space on the chart so that we can see what's going on. And now let's watch for the breakout or the breakdown. We really don't know which way, but we know it's going to move one way or the other for sure. So I'm tightening up my levels a little bit. And as we come down, let's see if we're ready to break down. Looks like we might have a breakout. And there we go. So now we're in the trade. Let's adjust our take profits and our stop. Pull our stop up a little bit, right to the edge of that zone. Because if this is going to be a false breakout, it's going to tear right through that zone in a second. Move my take profits down to the next available levels. I'm happy if I get out here. I'll move up to break even. And then maybe we'll show you another one. And we're almost there. And there we go. Let's take a look at that again. Right up at the edge. For a fast 250 bucks on this first target. Let's take a look at another one. This is the ES earlier. Same thing. Watching this area, I see a nice consolidation for quite a little while, and I know it's going to either break out or break down. And a breakdown down to this level, definitely a possibility, or potentially new highs. So, same thing. Right click, choose OCO order. And then let's choose our first trade. We're going to enter our buy stop market right above the consolidation area. And then make sure we choose our ATM again. In this case, I'm just using a 2 quantity because the ES is 12.5 bucks per contract as opposed to 5 per contract on the YM or the NASDAQ. And we're going to choose the same ATM on both sides. Choose sell stop market. And now we are in our OCO. We can take that off now and wait for a breakout or a breakdown. Let's see how this one played out. And we are in the trade. We broke down. Let's move our stop loss down. And you can see once we're in the trade, the other order cancels out. So now we're happy, and I'm going to move to the other side of that area. If it's a false breakdown, we know that it's going to break through in the opposite direction, hit our first target, and let's see how far we can go down. We'll move our stop down just to the other side of that support resistance zone. And let's look to see how much we can get out of it. Once a new zone prints, I'll move my stop down a little bit and lock in some profits. If we break through the edge of this zone, I'm going to move it down further to the outside edge of where it was. And we're slowly breaking down all the way down to this level, it looks like. So we've broken through a couple of zones here. Let's move our stop down a little bit, right to this edge. If we break back above, I'm going to be happy with locking in those profits. Broke another zone, so we'll grab it down there. And let's see, and we're out. So a fast almost 500 bucks on this trade, 250 on the previous one. Easy to grab those breakouts or breakdowns, but if you try to catch them once they've already broken through, it'll run away from you. So that's it, traders. Try it out on different markets, look for your patterns, try different